Good morning, everybody. I'm just gonna do a quick recap. I'm sorry, I have to do a quick recap very early. So the market was gapping up a little bit, and I just got a really nice 1 minute open range breakup on TQQQ and Tesla a little bit. I have to run to the airport because I have a flight to New York City, so I just want to do a quick recap. So 1 minute open range breakup, market was gapping up. Obviously, as you're seeing here, very, very beautiful. It came down, rejected, going down below the VWAP, came back up. I went like not a very heavy size because I wasn't really certain. And then a really nice pop, sold, and then added more a little bit for the next run up. But I would just look at my PNL and I said, you know what, I don't want to really mess around with it. Still the ladder was going up very strong to go up, but I just completely got out of it, like 4,000 shares I had on that. And that's that's pretty much it, my day. So $1,800, that's good. $2,000 a day, $500,000 a year. So not something that you don't want to be, you don't like it. So that's a really, really good profit. And that's it. I have no other position except those positions on the other account that I have. So I'm just gonna call it a day for me because I have to run to the airport. That was a really nice run up on the Qs. And again, TQQ is a derivative of Qs. So the same move happened on the Qs. I was watching it, that really hold the VWAP and run up. I had also Tesla as well. Brian took that Tesla. Tesla was way better. I saw that, but for some reason I just, wasn't 100%. Tesla was a way better 1 minute open range breakdown. Opened weak, but it came up. That was a really nice open range breakup. I did a scalp it a little bit, but it didn't hold it to around 724. I should have done that as well. So overall, I think it was a pretty decent day for me, thanks to the Qs. Qs running up, they might pull back. SPY is pulling back now, so we'll see how it goes. The market is going to stay strong. How was your day, Brian?
It was good. Got a little premature trade on Lee. Lost a few dollars, but then, Tesla more than made up for it. I've still got a little bit left, but I got in as Tesla just started to break out there, as you mentioned. So some out at 718 and a half, and then some more at 720 and some change. And I had the TQQQ from NSPY ETFs from yesterday. Had a pretty strong day, good close yesterday. FedEx earnings helped last night, which we were positive. So just helped those, and I've sold a lot of them this morning. So that was overall was a good day.
Yeah, Tesla is ripping, Qs are ripping.
Yeah.
And,
next level 730 maybe. 735 is a pivot level. So yeah.
All right, so that was a pretty good day. I think that was a good solid day for me. TQQ as well too. That was a really decent day for me. So I'm gonna head to the airport, guys. New York City meetup tomorrow. I think about 150 people come. Peter decided to come last minute as well, so Peter will be there. Me, Carlos, Ardi, and Ryan would be there. So looking forward to see you all. The information is the meetup is on the website. If you have any question, email me, andrew@bearbulltraders.com. Hook me up. Maybe we can go run in the Central Park. I love running in Central Park, and do comedy club or something. Love that. Have a good day, guys, and sorry for I just have to run because Ardi, even he didn't come to the office. He said, no, I'm gonna go, I don't trust you. Cheers, guys.
All right, have a good safe flight.